Hello guys and welcome. Hope you're all well. So this session we are carrying on doing the sketch for our project, MQTT project. As you know, as you saw in the last video, it was too long. And this one's quite a long one as well. So what we're going to do, we are going to crack on. Right, we're going to crack on and let's carry on with the sketch for our MQTT project. Right guys, right, I am back. I found the issue. What I did, leave out, oh boy, error, a semicolon right after my MQTT underscore server. All right, and my server address. I left out the semicolon. Right, I hope you had a good little break. I'm going to ignore this error at the moment because I've been looking around. It may be later on in the code that refers to this client.set callback. All right, so we're going to carry on. We're going to come down. Let's come up a bit. We'll come down to here and enter. All right, and it's a void. All right. Callback. See, this is what I think it's missing. All right. Brackets on. It's char. A star. Space. Topic. Comma. Space. Byte. Star. All right. Space message. Okay, comma. Space unsigned int length. That's integer. All right, length. All right. How you spell length? Yeah, L-E-N-G. Just it didn't look right. Space. Sorry. Come outside the brackets, enter. Curly brackets, enter. Right, so the next thing we to do is serial print. Serial dot print. Brackets on. And quotes, right? Message arrived on topic. Okay, colons, space, come outside the quotes, come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. And serial print, dot print, brackets on, quotes, there's no quotes, and it's topic. Right, on this occasion, no quotes. Come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Serial.print. Brackets on. This time it is a quote. Sorry, yep. Quotes, dot, space, message. Okay. Colons, space. Come outside the quotes, come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. String, capital S on the string. Message temp. Capital T on the temp. Okay, semicolons, enter. Come down a bit. Space. And it's 4. Brackets on, int, space I equals 0, semicolons, space I, less than, length, semicolons, space I, plus plus. Right. Come outside the brackets, space, curly brackets, and enter. Right, should tab in. Yep, that's correct. Serial. Dot print. Brackets. Is it a brackets on? Brackets on. Char. That's 2 brackets on. Char. Come outside the brackets. Message. All right. Square bracket. I. Come outside the square brackets. Come outside the brackets. Semicolon. Enter. And then message temp. All right. So it's going to print our message for our temperature. Message capital T on the temp. Space. Plus or equal to. Space brackets on. Char. Outside the brackets, message, square brackets, I, come outside the square brackets, come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Take that back. Come outside the square brackets. Let me just check this jar message. Square brackets I. Okay. Semicolon. Enter. Take that backspace. We come to here. So we've got the 3 lines 4, serial print, message temp. Okay, come outside the curly brackets. All right. Some reason, don't know why. Message, semicolon, right. Come back to the 4. It's important that these curly brackets are in line. Okay. Space, serial. Dot print line, and then for line, brackets on, brackets off, come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Right. So we're now going to look at the outputs to state according to the message. Right. So let me just make sure I'm in line. So where are we up to? 0 print line. Space, let's come down a bit. Come down, come down. Right, so if space, brackets on, string, capital S on the string, brackets on, topic, come outside the brackets, space, equals, quotes, ESP, this is all small case, 32, / output, still all small case, okay, come outside the quotes, come outside the brackets. Remember, no semicolon, we have a curly bracket, enter. 0 print. And it's brackets on, quotes, changing output to space, come outside the quotes, come outside the brackets, a semicolon, enter. If brackets on, sorry, no space, if brackets on, string, sorry, if message temp, capital T on the temp, space, equals, space, quotes on, come outside the quotes, come outside the brackets, space, no semicolon, curly brackets, enter. Serial dot print line, LN for line, brackets on, quotes on. Come outside the quotes, come outside the brackets. Right? And it's semicolon, enter. Digital write, okay, so now the ESP is sending data, all right? We need the LED pin to go high, so it's digital write, capital W on the right, brackets on, we named it LED, capital P on the pin, comma, space high, all capitals, from outside the brackets, semicolon. All right, now, from outside the curly brackets, down a bit, then we want an else, all right? So if there's no data being passed, we want the LED to go off, right? So it's else if, brackets on, message, temp, capital T on the temp, all right? Space equals equals, space quotes off, come outside the quotes, come outside the brackets, space, curly brackets, enter. Serial print line off. Okay, serial dot print ln, and that's brackets on, quotes off. Come outside the quotes, come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. And then we need to do a digital pin, digital write. Okay, capital W on the right, brackets on, and LED pin, comma, and it's low. Right, from outside the brackets, semicolon. Right, what we need to do, okay, come outside the curlies, come outside the curlies, come outside the curlies. So 3 curlies, all right? And let's enter, enter. Bring this down a bit. And this down. So we have a reconnect now. So what this will tell the ESP32 to do is just keep looping until you connect. All right? Void. Reconnect. Brackets on, brackets off. Okay? From outside the bracket space, curly brackets, enter. While. Space, brackets on. Excuse me, exclamation mark, client. Dot connected. Okay. Brackets on, brackets off. Come outside the brackets, come outside the brackets. Space. Curly brackets, enter. Serial dot print. Serial dot print, okay, brackets on, quotes, attempting MQTT connection. All right, you can put a few outside the quotes, Come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Attempt to connect. All right. Attempt to connect. If brackets on, client dot connect, brackets on, and it's making sure I know where I'm at. Quotes. Sorry. Yeah, quotes. And it's ESP 32 client right. Come outside the quotes, come outside the brackets, come outside the brackets. Space. All right, curly bracket, enter. And then it's serial.print line. Brackets on, quotes, connected. All right, come outside the quotes, come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Now, this is the bit where we subscribe. All right, remember it's a subscribe system, right? Publish and subscribe. So now we need to subscribe. So it's client dot subscribe. They spell subscribe in it. Brackets on, quotes, ESP32 / output. Right. Come outside the quotes, come outside the brackets, semicolon. Right, so we're subscribed to the ESP32 output. Okay, come outside the curlies. All right. Now we want an else. Space, curly brackets, enter. Serial. Dot. Print. Brackets on, quote. Cloud. Comma, space, RC equals, and then it's a quote. Okay. Come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Let's come down a bit. We're a bit low. And then what we want is serial.print. And it's brackets on as normal, client dot state. Brackets on, brackets off. Come outside the brackets, come outside the brackets. Semicolon, enter. Then serial.print line. Brackets on. And quotes. Try. Again. In 5 seconds. Okay. Come outside the quotes, come outside the bracket, semicolon, enter. So we wait 5 seconds. Right, so put a delay. And as it's milliseconds, 5,000 milliseconds. Come outside the brackets, semicolon. Right, come outside the brackets, semicolon. Not far to go now, guys. Not far to go. I can get this sorted out. So, 1, 2, 3 curly brackets, enter, enter. And come down. Right. Now we're in the void loop. All right. We've got here. Okay, code, main code here to run repeatedly. All right. Void loop. I don't know what's happened to my notes. They seem to have frozen. Just give me a minute to sort this out. Seems my my notes, there's a problem with them. Ah, here we go. That's better. That's better. Right. Okay, void loop. If brackets on, exclamation mark. Is that an exclamation mark? Yeah, I think it is. That's what it's called. All right. If brackets on, punctuation, exclamation mark, client dot connected. Brackets on, brackets off. Come outside the brackets. Come outside the brackets. Space. Curly brackets. Enter. Right. Reconnect. Brackets on, brackets off. Come outside the brackets. Semicolon. Okay. Come outside the curlies. Right. Then clients. Client.loop. Brackets on, brackets off. Come outside the brackets. Semicolon. Enter. Long space now equals millis for milliseconds. All right, millis. Brackets on, brackets off. Come outside the brackets. Semicolon. Enter. If brackets on now space dash space last message capital M, and it's for message MSG greater than space 5,000. All right. Come outside the brackets, space, no semicolon, curly brackets, enter. Last message equals now. Right. MSG for message. Right. Space equals now. Semicolon. Right. Now we're going to set the temperature. Come down. Enter. Right, we've put a couple of spaces. Temperature. Space equals BME, small case, dot, read a temperature, capital T. Right, brackets on, brackets off. Come outside the bracket, semicolon, enter. And then it's char. Right, convert the value of the char array, all right? Okay, this is what this is doing. Temp. String, capital S. Square brackets, 8. Outside the square brackets. Semicolon, enter. Right, DTOSTRF. Trade, I don't know what this command means. Something string, I think. Right, DOTSTRF. Brackets on. Temperature. Comma. 1. Comma. Space 2. Comma. Space. Temp string. Capital S on the string. All right. Go. Come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Right, serial dot print. Brackets on. And that's colons, temperature. Colons. Space. Come outside the quotes, come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Serial dot print line. And then for line, brackets on. Let's move this out of the way. Excuse me. And it's temp plus string. Okay. Come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Next thing we need to do is publish. All right. So it's client dot publish. Brackets on. Quotes. ESP32. Small case / temperature. Okay. Come outside the quotes, comma. And it's temp string. Come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Now we're going to do humidity. All right, we're going to do the humidity. And that's it. Then we're done. Right, humidity equals BME dot read capital H on the humidity. All right, brackets on, brackets off, come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Enter. Okay, char. Right, this can convert the value to a char array, a character array. Right, string, square brackets, 8, come outside the square brackets, semicolon, enter. And then this is DTOST, STRF. All right, brackets on, humidity, comma, space 1, comma, space 2, comma, space, string, humidity string. And it's capital S on the string. Come outside the brackets, a semicolon, and it's enter. Right, serial.print. Oh, quotes. Humidity. Colons. Space. Come outside the quotes. Come outside the brackets, semicolon, enter. Serial.print. Okay, humidity. I'm string 8, serial122, serial.print humidity. And then it's serial.print line. Brackets on. String. Humidity string. Capital S on the string. I'm outside the bracket, semicolon, enter. All right. And client. Dot. Again, we have to publish it. Brackets on. Quotes. ESP32. / humidity. come outside the quotes, and it's a comma space humidity string, hum string. Right, come outside the brackets, semicolon. Let's bring this up. You'll be glad to know that's the sketch done, guys. All right, string, come outside the curly brackets, come outside the curly brackets. Right. Okay. I think the first thing we'll do is verify it. That's the first thing. Hopefully we've not got too many errors. Hopefully we've not got too many errors. Fingers crossed, fingers crossed. And what we'll do, we'll end this video here. It's been long enough. And the next session, we'll look at introducing the Node-RED part. Okay. Right. Okay, client. I think I can see that already. And it's in the last line. Line publish. Client.publish. Let's try again. Let's verify again. Yeah. And in the next session, it'll be a quick one. We're just going to build the the Node-RED side of things. All right. So let's just get this uploaded onto our ESP32. Hopefully we've got no more issues. Say future videos or future sessions. I don't like to call them videos. Future sessions. We're going to be looking at other IoT projects and trying to just build on our knowledge to help our kids, right, that are at school doing IT. Or at least you can work through these videos with your kids. All right, if they're interested in coding, I think they'll appreciate these videos, all of them. Start off simple. Okay, everything's hunky-dory. Let's upload it. Wait for it to upload. Yeah, that was quite a sketch, but the more difficult things get, the longer the sketches do get. You know, because we are getting deeper and deeper into everything. Let's upload it. Shouldn't take too long. Shouldn't take too long. There we go. We're uploading. We are uploading. Okay, nearly there, nearly there. Okay. And that's it. We've uploaded. We've uploaded. All right. I'm just gonna there you go. And we're connected. All right. And there you can see it's giving off temperature and humidity. All right. So we know it's working. Excuse me. So all we got to do, build the dashboard to display that everything is working. All right. Well, thanks for watching. All right. And I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and stay safe. Bye-bye.